Today we explore exciting investment opportunities in some of the world's biggest companies. Today we're going to talk about Boeing, one of the most iconic names in aerospace and defense. Whether you're new to investing or a seasoned pro, Boeing is a company worth paying attention to. Let's dive into the reasons why it could be a great addition to your portfolio. Before we dive into the details, a quick reminder. This video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered personal financial advice. Everyone's financial situation is different, so be sure to consult a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. This is Wealthlocity. Here you create, protect, and grow your wealth fast. Boeing is a global leader in the aerospace industry, manufacturing commercial airplanes, military aircraft, satellites, defense systems, and space exploration vehicles. The company operates in four main divisions: commercial airplanes, defense, space and security, global services, and Boeing Capital. Boeing's commercial airplanes division is responsible for producing the 737, 777, and 787 Dreamliner, which are popular models for airlines worldwide. Meanwhile, its Defense, Space and Security division focuses on military aircraft, missile systems, and space exploration, supplying governments and agencies like NASA. Boeing Capital provides financial solutions to customers and suppliers. The company's diverse revenue streams make it one of the most significant players in both commercial aviation and defense sectors. Boeing leverages innovation and technology to remain at the forefront of aerospace advancements, with its deep integration in both commercial and government sectors offering stability and long-term growth potential. Boeing is a dominant player in the commercial aviation sector. Alongside its main competitor, Airbus, the demand for air travel has been increasing steadily, especially post-pandemic, as airlines seek to modernize their fleets. Boeing's 737 MAX and 787 Dreamliner are highly popular among airlines due to their fuel efficiency and long-range capabilities. As the world continues to recover from the impacts of COVID-19, air travel demand is expected to grow significantly. Boeing's leadership in the commercial aviation sector positions it to capitalize on this growing demand, leading to increased aircraft orders and strong revenue growth. Boeing's Defense, Space and Security division is a major supplier to the U.S. military and other global defense forces. This division produces military aircraft, helicopters, satellites, and missile defense systems, and is involved in critical space missions. With rising global defense budgets, this division provides a stable and growing source of revenue. Defense spending is often less cyclical than commercial aviation, providing Boeing with a reliable revenue stream even during economic downturns. As governments around the world continue to prioritize national security, Boeing's defense contracts are likely to remain strong. Boeing's Global Services division provides aftermarket support, including maintenance, repair, and parts supply for both commercial and defense customers. This segment is growing as airlines and militaries look for ways to extend the life of their fleets and improve operational efficiency. Aftermarket services offer higher profit margins compared to aircraft manufacturing, and this steady source of recurring revenue helps cushion the company's bottom line. As Boeing expands its services, it becomes less reliant on new aircraft sales and more resilient to market fluctuations. Boeing has a massive backlog of orders for its commercial airplanes, particularly for its 737 MAX and 787 Dreamliner models. This backlog represents billions of dollars in future revenue, giving Boeing a predictable revenue stream for years to come. An order backlog provides visibility into future revenue, giving investors confidence in Boeing's ability to generate sustained income. The current backlog helps ensure long-term growth as Boeing works to fulfill these orders. Boeing plays a critical role in space exploration through its partnership with NASA. The company is involved in projects like the Space Launch System, or SLS, which is the backbone of NASA's deep space exploration plans. Boeing's role in space exploration continues to grow as the commercial space industry expands. The space industry is on the cusp of a major transformation, with private companies playing a larger role in space exploration and satellite deployment. Boeing's experience and established relationships with space agencies position it to benefit from this growing market. Boeing has a global presence with customers and suppliers across nearly every continent. This international reach provides the company with diversified revenue streams, reducing its reliance on any one geographic region. Boeing's ability to serve a global customer base allows it to tap into growth in emerging markets. Global diversification helps Boeing mitigate risks associated with regional economic downturns. As emerging markets in Asia, the Middle East, and Latin America continue to grow, Boeing is well positioned to benefit from rising demand for both commercial and defense products. Boeing is at the forefront of aviation innovation, with a focus on creating more fuel-efficient and environmentally friendly aircraft. The 787 Dreamliner, for example, is designed to use 20 to 30% less fuel than previous models, making it highly attractive to airlines looking to reduce operating costs and meet environmental regulations. As airlines face increasing pressure to reduce carbon emissions, Boeing's innovative, fuel-efficient aircraft will likely see higher demand. The company's commitment to sustainability will also help it maintain its competitive edge in a world that's becoming more focused on reducing carbon footprints. Boeing has long-term contracts with many of the world's major airlines. These contracts often span several years and include not only the sale of aircraft, but also long-term maintenance agreements. This creates a steady stream of revenue over the life of an aircraft. Long-term contracts provide Boeing with financial stability and predictability, ensuring that it has consistent income even during challenging economic conditions. This makes Boeing's business model more resilient and attractive to long-term investors. Boeing operates in a high barrier to entry industry where few competitors can match its scale, expertise, and reputation. The capital-intensive nature of aerospace manufacturing makes it difficult for new players to enter the market, which protects Boeing from significant competitive threats. Boeing's strong market position and the difficulty for new entrants to compete create a durable economic moat. This protects its market share, allowing the company to maintain pricing power and profitability over the long term. Boeing benefits from strong government support, particularly in the United States, where it is a key defense contractor and supplier to various government agencies. Boeing's relationships with the U.S. government and military provide a stable revenue stream and long-term growth opportunities. Government contracts are often stable and long-lasting, offering Boeing a steady source of revenue even during economic downturns. This government backing also provides a level of financial security that many companies in other sectors do not have. Boeing has committed to building more sustainable products and reducing its environmental footprint. The company is investing in sustainable aviation fuel, or SAF, and other technologies that can reduce carbon emissions in the aviation industry. Boeing has set ambitious goals to become carbon neutral in the future. As environmental regulations tighten and customers demand more sustainable products, Boeing's focus on sustainability gives it a competitive edge. Companies that lead in sustainable practices are likely to attract more customers and investors who prioritize environmental responsibility. Historically, Boeing has been a strong dividend payer. Although it temporarily suspended dividends during the COVID-19 crisis, its financial recovery and strong cash flow suggest the potential for dividend reinstatement in the future. For income-focused investors, Boeing's potential to resume dividend payments as its financial situation stabilizes makes it an attractive investment. As the company continues to recover, there is a high likelihood of dividend growth over the long term. Boeing has faced challenges in recent years, including the 737 MAX grounding and the COVID-19 pandemic's impact on air travel. However, the company has shown resilience and is working hard to rebuild its reputation and financial standing. The successful return of the 737 MAX and a recovering travel industry are signs of brighter days ahead. While Boeing faced significant setbacks, Its ability to overcome challenges and continue operating as a leader in the aerospace industry demonstrates its resilience. For investors, this signals that Boeing has the ability to bounce back from adversity and generate long-term returns. Boeing has a seasoned leadership team that has successfully guided the company through periods of turbulence. Boeing's commitment to corporate governance and accountability ensures that it is run with transparency, making it a more reliable investment. Strong leadership is critical to navigating complex challenges in a highly regulated industry like aerospace. Boeing's executive team has the experience and expertise to manage risks and execute on growth opportunities, making it a solid investment choice. As the global middle class continues to grow, demand for air travel is expected to increase, particularly in Asia and other emerging markets. Airlines will need to expand their fleets to meet this demand, and Boeing is well positioned to provide them with the aircraft they need. Boeing's ability to capitalize on the expansion of the global fleet means it will benefit from rising demand for commercial air travel. This presents a long-term growth opportunity for the company and its investors. While Boeing is a global leader in aerospace, the company is subject to intense regulatory scrutiny, particularly following the 737 MAX incidents. Any future safety or regulatory issues could significantly impact the company's reputation and financial performance. These risks, while managed, are inherent in the aerospace industry and could be a concern for some investors. Investors should be aware of the risks associated with safety issues and regulatory compliance. While Boeing has taken steps to address past challenges, the potential for future incidents remains a key risk factor that could impact its stock price and market position. That wraps up our 15 reasons why Boeing might be a solid investment and one potential risk to keep in mind. Remember, every investment comes with risks, so it's crucial to do your own research and consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the link in the description for more resources on Boeing and other investment opportunities. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time with more money in your pocket.